Creating a Rumble backslash banner using this simple method follows the same steps in any photo editing tool, whether it's Photoshop, Affinity Designer, Picsart, Fotor, or Canva. However, today I will use Microsoft Designer, an excellent online browser-based photo editor that is completely free to use. To design a Rumble backsplash, start by opening this URL of Microsoft Designer in a browser. Check the link in description. Before proceeding, visit this page on the Dozro website. Check the link in the description. The black area in this template shows the safe zone for Rumble's backsplash on computers, while this template specifies the safe zone for the backsplash on mobile devices. Right-click and download the two template photos which will help us to create Rumble backsplash in perfect dimensions. Return to Microsoft Designer. Start with a blank design. Choose the option of custom size. Set the width to 3600 pixels and the height to 600 pixels as recommended by Rumble for a backsplash dimensions. Hit on the Create button. You can apply your preferred text and other visuals on your Rumble backsplash. For a detailed guide on utilizing Microsoft Designer, check out a thorough tutorial on Dozro's YouTube channel. The link is available in the description. Here is the Rumble backsplash banner I designed entirely using Microsoft Designer. You can also use eye-catching elements like this banner I had created for a client. Now let's learn to make it responsive on both mobile and desktop screens. So, access the My Media folder and upload the template photos to Microsoft Designer from your device. Click on the mobile template photo to overlay it onto your design. Expand the template photo to match the full width precisely with the default dimensions of your design. Adjust its position by moving it, and once the horizontal and vertical guidelines appear, release the mouse click to align it accurately with your design. Now click on the Position and select Send to Back option. It is evident that the business name or logo outside the mobile safe zone will be cropped on Rumble Mobile. It means that the D letter of the logo will not be visible on Rumble Mobile. The brand slogan is also covered and hidden by profile picture on Rumble Mobile layout. To address this issue, adjust the placement of the logo and slogan to ensure they are within the safe zone for Rumble Mobile. You can see that now all the elements are within the safe zone, which means that they will be visible on all devices whether on mobile or desktop. These elements on the Rumble backsplash will only appear on computer screens. Let's ensure they are positioned within the safe zone. So, right-click and delete the mobile template. Now bring the desktop template over your design and expand it to match the default size. Send the desktop template to back. You can see that these graphic elements are positioned at the unsafe zone for Rumble desktop layout. It means the elements inside the unsafe zone will not display on desktop screens. Therefore, delete the desktop template and change the position of elements to keep them within safe zone for desktop. Congratulations! We have created a Rumble backsplash in perfect size for all devices. It is time to save our Rumble banner. Simply click the download button and save it in PNG format. Then, select the Save As button and designate its storage location on your computer. I will showcase it by uploading the backsplash on my rumble.com channel. On mobile devices, the Rumble backsplash will appear like this. You can see that profile picture has not hidden any important element. On computer screens, the designed backsplash image will be displayed in this manner. Dozro can also create the backsplash for your Rumble channel in professional design and in perfect size. Show generosity and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.